Hi friends, today I am drawing this bird cockatoo. First I started with beak. In this drawing I am using freehand method. I used to draw first basic shapes, then modifying them later, but nowadays I am enjoying more in freehand drawing. So I am starting wherever I would like to start. After finishing the beak, I started to draw the head and then eye. Now I am finishing the body part. If I feel if anywhere there is mistake, first I correct the mistake, the lines, then I erase that previous lines. This is the correct method to do the corrections in the drawing. Friends, spending some time creating something without judgments and rules really giving us so much joy. Every one of us spent our time to creating stuff in our childhood time. Then we had no rules, no judgments. So how much busy you are, let some time aside, at least 10 minutes per day, and try to create some stuff like a child. It is for me drawing, coloring and painting. Maybe it is for you dancing, singing, art, cooking, crocheting, knitting, whatever maybe it is. Spend some time. Enjoy the process. Creating some stuff, whatever you would like to create, without any judgments and rules, gives us more pleasure, gives us more joy, and brings so many changes in your life. Do you have such experience, or you spending, or are you have already spending that like that? Please let me know in the comment section below. I'll be glad to hear from you. Now I am giving the outline. I am using here some DVD marker to give the outline. You can use whatever available to you. Maybe it is gel pen, maybe it is sketch pen, whatever available to you. For creating art for the sake of joy, you don't force in any area. For example, if you had limited materials, create something with that limited materials. Okay, now it is my interesting part, coloring. For coloring I am using color pencils. I had Dom's color pencils, so I am using them. For coloring I am not making so much force and pressure on me to go into the fine details. Just I am giving coloring like a child. Here I am leaving some white space to highlight that highlighted part on the beak. I am using yellow color, orange and that grey color pencil for the beak. Now for the body part I am giving that sky blue color with a blue color pencil light shading at the edges of that line. After that, on that blue color, I am layering with grey color pencil to give. Friends, how is this drawing? Let me know in the comment section below. Happy drawing. Enjoy the process. Bye bye.